Hey there and welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use the Grab Text tool. The Grab tool is available for pro users only. However, Canva does have a 30-day pro trial, so sign up for that if you haven't already. Click on the Create a Design button, choosing either a custom size or one from the list provided. To use the Grab Text tool, your image has to have some text in it. Either import an image from your computer or choose one from Canva's library of photos. Drag and drop the file into your design space. The tool works best with clear and readable fonts, as it is going to try to find a font that closely resembles the text in the image. With your image selected, move up to the toolbar above the design canvas and click Edit. Edit opens Magic Studio to the left side of the design canvas. Here, you will find Grab Text. Click on it to open the Grab Text tool. A box will appear around the text. Next, click anywhere in the highlighted area. At this point, you are given the option to select either All Text or Select Text to grab. In the example shown, there is only one font. Some images may have several different fonts, so with the Select Text to Grab option, you choose which font to switch out. This can be repeated for other fonts in the image. Once you have made your text selection, the Grab button will be highlighted. Click the Grab button and let it do its magic. It is going to try to match the original font as closely as possible. I was curious as to whether it would change up the font if I backtracked and repeated the Grab button. I tried that 3 times, and each time it came up with the same font. The font in the image is now changed. You can of course change the font to any you wish if you are not happy with the one the Grab tool finds for you. Make all the changes you want to the image, and when ready, click on Share to download your design. Save your design in your preferred format. And that is the simple basics for the Grab Text tool. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. You can leave a comment in the comment section below if you wish. Thanks for watching.